chilly day in Massachusetts today. Got my big warm jacket on, little scarves, little hat action. Whew, it's chilly. But today we want to talk about tax credits. I know it's a really exciting subject, but they're kind of important. And specifically tax credits when it comes to a business. If you're a business looking to electrify your fleet, as you probably are aware of, there's a lot of reasons that you want to electrify a fleet for cost savings in terms of maintenance and fuel usage. But how do the tax credits apply when it comes to a business? Right now, the credits, when it comes to businesses, are different than an individual. Individuals, there's all these net things. You got to be buying a vehicle under $50,000. If it's a car, if it's an SUV, it has to be under $80,000. So that means like your Rivian R1T, not going to qualify for the $7,500 tax credit. The cool thing is with businesses, none of that applies, right? So you don't have to worry about for your business what the purchase price of the vehicle is. So that's a really cool thing. The other thing is, when it comes to Massachusetts, I'm actually talking to you in the great state of Massachusetts. Massachusetts has its own EV program where they'll give you $3,500 rebate, right, for purchasing an EV. And there's some things that you need to know when it comes to that in terms of what's needed to be able to apply and be able to be eligible for that type of credit. The one thing to note when it comes to business, you can either just claim the commercial clean credit or the clean vehicle credit. You can't claim both. So most likely if you're a business, you're going to want to claim the commercial one because then you don't have all the rules when it comes to how much money you earn and all that stuff. It's really just all about gross vehicle weight. $7,500 if it's under 14,000 pounds. If it's over 14,000 pounds, up to $40,000. But the majority of people looking at getting into electrified fleets, you're looking at that. The good thing is you don't have the requirements that are needed on the individual, so you don't have to worry about the purchase price being under $55,000 if it's an EV or under $80,000 if it's an EV SUV. Those are some of the individual requirements. You don't have to worry about that for a business. So the government's really making it advantageous if you're a business to get an EV, right, and claim that credit.